Hello students and aspirants. In this video we are going to see rule number 3. In this rule number 3 is about relative pronoun. Who, whom, which, that. These all are relative pronouns. And who is used in subjective case. Whom is used in objective case. Who is used for people and pet animals. Whom is used for people and pet animals. Now we are going to see the example. Before going to see that is used for people and pet animals. Both animals, living things and non-living things. Which is used for non-living things, animals. Whom is used for people and pet animals. But while using whom, we used objective case pronoun. Now we see the example. The vacuum scared our dog Rocky, who was sleeping on the rug. Here, Rocky. The dog name is Rocky. Rocky is a pet animal. So, for pet animal, we using who, W-H-O, who here. Which is used for animals, non-domestic animals, non-living things. Okay, we see the example. Vinita visited the park with a dog which likes to chase squirrels. Here, which is denoting the dog, animal, which denoting here is animal. That is used for people and animals or things. No restriction. To understand, whenever you using that in a sentence, that is used for people, living things and non-living things. We see some example for your understanding, and that is used in both subjective case and objective case. The plus adjective format and adjective plus noun format. The plus adjective, adjective plus noun. Here we use the word that in a sentence. Now we see some examples. The same book. Same is a adjective word. The same. Article plus adjective. So we use that. The best. Best is adjective. So here we used that. And some words. All, any, the only, the same, none, much, no, the little, the few, something, anything, nothing, and superlative degrees followed by that only. These words all are followed by the word that. In the next video, we will see rule number 4. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks.